alle pere. I love Bellinis. And today I'm going to show you how to make the Pear Bellini. And you can make it with any fruit, any seasonal fruit, but just the pears were great today. Here we have some pears. You peel them, you clean them, cut them in pieces, and we will cook that with some sugar, some lemon juice, and some water. You bring that to a boil, and you let it cook until the liquid becomes to about half. And it ends up to be something like this. Just let it chill, and then we'll pass it to a blender to get it nice and smooth, a nice thick kind of puree, if you will. And again, you know, you can make it with any fruit. You can make it with peaches. You can make it with apples. Let me just pour all of this right in. Okay. And okay, let's check it. Yes, it's nice and smooth and dense because the pulp of the pear is in there. You put that in a container like this or anything else you have that it's easy to pour into your glass, and you chill it. You get your glass. Let's make the Bellini. Let's see. And what is the ratio? Well, you know, I like mine fruity, so maybe about 1/3 of the actual pear puree. This is a little more, which is okay. Now we pour the bollicine right on top. Be careful because, of course, the bollicine, the bubbles, will flour, if you will, and will ultimately flip over, and your guests can mix it themselves. Okay. So there we go. But that's good luck, they say. Let's put just a little sprig of mint, I think just like that, for decorating. And what I would do to this candied ginger, maybe just make it a little hook so that it could stay on top, that it doesn't follow in. And then, of course, your guest can pick it up. Just you kind of make a slit here. I think just like that. We are all ready to begin our party. And you can imagine, if you put this as your guests come in, that it's a really great aromatic welcome. Come in. Let's celebrate. Salute. So delicious. And I love il gusto della pera, the flavor of the pear. La pera is the pear in Italian. So remember, la pera. Un Bellini di pera. Salute.